So you can close your eyes and you can bring your focus on your breath. As you focus on your breath, you will notice rhythmic motion of your breath. You can take 3 deep breaths. And you would notice your breath moving in rhythmic motion. You can sooner or later also experience a heightened sensation, heightened feeling, heightened listening. Your unconscious mind has done it before. It knows how to take you in the deeper state of relaxation. You can slowly and steadily bring your focus on your fingers. You would notice a heightened sensation around your fingers. You may slowly or steadily bring your focus on your feet. You can notice heightened sensation around your feet. Slowly and steadily, you can bring your focus on your shoulders. Sooner or later, you would notice that your shoulders are becoming heavy. When your shoulders start becoming heavy, you can nod your head and let me know. Great. Slowly and steadily, you would notice that your elbows are becoming heavy. When you notice your elbows are becoming heavy, you can nod your head and let me know. Great. You can slowly and steadily bring your focus on your throat. You may notice dryness around your throat. You can gulp it and make it wet. Great. Your eyes are shielded shut. Harder you try to open your eyes, more difficult it becomes for you to open. Your eyes are shielded shut. Harder you try to open your eyes, more difficult it becomes for you to open. You can imagine or pretend to imagine that there is a corridor and there are stairs going down the corridors. There are 20 stairs. As you climb these 20 stairs, climb down these 20 stairs, you will get into deeper state of relaxation. Are you ready to climb down the stairs? Great. So I'm going to start counting from 20 to 1 in reverse order. As I start counting from 20 to 1 in reverse order, you can start climbing down the stairs with your left foot first. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When your unconscious can hear me, you can slightly nod your head and let me know. Great. Now I would request your unconscious to tell me a signal which would represent a yes. This can be done by raising any one finger of your right hand or a left hand. That raising of your finger would represent a yes from your unconscious mind. Great. Thank you. Now, I would also request your unconscious to lift one finger which would represent a no from your unconscious. Great. Thank you. You can slowly again bring your focus on your breath. So we started with Rajkumar telling us a habit which he wants to replace. I would request the part of the unconscious that holds Rajkumar's behavior to connect with me. When that part of the unconscious is able to connect with me, you can give me a S. Great. Thank you very much. Now, I would request that part of the unconscious to tell me if it is willing to tell me the positive intention behind that behavior. You can take your time and let me know if the part is willing to tell me the positive intention behind that behavior. Great. So I would request your unconscious to tell you the reason, the positive intention behind that behavior in a way that your conscious understands. When you have understood the positive intention behind that behavior, you can slightly nod your head and let me know. You can take your time. Great. Now, if you are comfortable, you can share the positive intention.
Not too hard.
Thank you. Now, I would request your unconscious, that part, to tell me if it is willing to find an alternate behavior. When that part of your unconscious which holds the behavior having positive intention that needs to be replaced, when your unconscious is ready to find an alternate behavior, you can use the finger signal to let us know. Great. I would request now to connect with the creative part of your unconscious. When I am able to connect, yeah, great. Now I would request your creative part to generate alternatives which will which can be replaced with this behavior. When you have generated the possible alternatives, you can let me know by finger signal. You can take your time. And once you are unconscious, the creative part has identified alternate behaviors, you can use the finger signal and let us know. Great. Now I would request your creative part to select 4 best behaviors out of the list of the alternate behaviors generated by your creative part. When you have listed 4 best behaviors, you can let us know using finger signal. Great. Now I would request your creative part to choose the best behavior out of these 4, which can be replaced with the original behavior. When your creative part has chosen one best alternate behavior, you can use finger signal and let us know. Great. Now I would request your creative part to check with the other parts of the unconscious whether they are also comfortable by this change of behavior. When your creative part has checked with the other parts of the unconscious, and so when your creative part has checked with all the other parts, you can tell us whether all the other parts agree or not using finger signal. Great. Now I would request the original part to give us a commitment, to give Raj a commitment that it will help us, help Raj to bring about the change in the behavior, replacing the behavior at the conscious level as well, support him so that he is able to bring that change easily and effectively. When the part of your unconscious is ready to give us a commitment, you can use finger signal and let us know. Great. So thank you very much to the original part and all the other parts of the unconscious for connecting with us and supporting us in finding out the alternate behavior. I would request your unconscious to help Rajkumar, and you can also request your unconscious to support you in bringing out the necessary changes in applying the alternate behavior. You can slowly and steadily bring your focus on your breath. I will now count from 1 to 5, and slowly and steadily you will be coming back to the normal state. When you are ready, you can slightly nod your head and let me know. Great. One, two, three, 4, 5. Again, I am going to count from 1 to 5. As I start from counting from 1 to 5, you will slowly and steadily come to the normal state and open your eyes after I finish counting from 1 to 5. 1. All personalities and bodies integrate with your physical body totally and completely right now. 2, 3. Integrate, integrate, integrate. Slowly and steadily you can open your eyes. When you're comfortable, you can slowly and steadily open your eyes.